Hello everyone! Welcome back again with me, Muji-Sensei, in another episode of JISMO Science Experiment. On this very special day, we're going to be doing some magic science experiment. Okay, so today I have here with me an image of someone you may know. Do you know from the previous videos? Can you type in the comments below who do you think it is from the shape of this image? Okay, it's Vigo-San! Okay, so in this experiment, we will try to erase or make disappear Vigo-San's image with one movement. Okay everyone, so this is the picture of Vigo-San. I'll put it down below, behind the aquarium, filled with water, and then we'll make it disappear in one movement. Let's count to three. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, it's gone! Okay, can you see it again now? Yes, now you see it! Okay everyone, now I will explain what actually happens. Okay, to demonstrate it, I will put my hand inside of the aquarium. Okay. Okay, what can you see everyone? Can you see my hand? Or the image of my hand? Wow, we can see both, right? It is called total internal reflection. Okay, so in this case, the object is not actually there, but you can see the image as if the object is there. Okay everyone, so the image of Vigo-San disappeared completely because of the boundary of air and the glass. Okay, so when light passes through different mediums, it will be refracted or bent. When light is coming from a certain angle, instead of being refracted, it will be reflected. This boundary between glass and air works like a mirror. This is called the total internal reflection. Okay, so at this angle, the image of Vigo-San disappears completely and we cannot see it. But when we change the angle, we can see it directly. Okay, this phenomenon occurs when light passes through a denser medium like glass to a less dense medium like air. Okay everyone, so how did your experiment do at home? I hope you had a great success. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, like, share to your friends and family so that they can do this experiment at home. And that's it for today. I'm Muji-Sensei and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!